Read the instruction manual before installation. Open the back seat switch. Remove 5 screws. Remove the storage case. Remove 3 screws. Remove the armrest. Apply screw adhesive to all screws. Place the top rack support. Initially fixing with screws. Place the top rack. Initially fixing with screws. Initially fixing with original screws on both sides. Tighten the screws. Parameters as shown. Putting back the storage case. Put the aluminum spacers on the top rack. Fasten the top plate. Fasten with screws. Fastening parameters as shown. Installation completed. Thanks for watching.